Assalamu alaikum, معكم Kawtar, and today we're gonna learn how to introduce yourself in Darija. In English, you say, my name is. For us, you don't have to use Anna smiti. You straight go with smiti. So smiti is already mean my name, okay? And then you can say smiti Kawtar. You can either use the nationality I'm Moroccan or I'm from Morocco. So if I want to say I'm Moroccan, I would say أنا مغربية. If you are American or something, we're gonna use the next video for it. So أنا ميريكانية if you are a female. But for now, let's use I'm from. I would say أنا من المغرب. أنا من المغرب. So من it means from. Okay? So اسمي كوثر. أنا من المغرب. If I want to talk about my age, I would say عندي. For example, عندي 29. So we're gonna talk about numbers later on for sure, but literally we see I have this amount of age. But to be honest, like just as any native, when we talk, we normally just say I'm 24 or I'm 27 or I'm 28. So I would say just like أنا 29 or just 29. Honestly, Morocco speaks fast, so we kind of drop everything and we just say the number, okay? So let me know like how old you are and if you wanted to, and the nationality in the comment section. And I see you in the next video. Sama.